Good afternoon, grade 2. How are you? Hope all of you well. This is Ms. Daid and this is the time for the math. This lesson will be the last lesson in this term before the final exams, midterm exams. Your math exam will be on Monday the 4th of January, يوم الاثنين يوم 4/1. The material that is included in the exam will be only chapter 1. If you look here, only chapter 1. Okay, chapter 1 contains 3 lessons. 1.1 digit numbers, 3-digit numbers. Lesson 1.2 ordering numbers up to 999. Lesson 3 even and odd number. So the tests, the the midterm exams will be only in chapter 1, 3 lessons. It is from page 1 until page 7. We have this page here, problem solving at the end of the lesson. Now if we go back to the lessons, I will make a quick review for the lessons. Before that, I want to thank 2 students in your class. They are Muhammad and whom? They are Muhammad al-Hwaiti wa Hashim al-Qda, because these 2 only the one who contact Ms. Daid and they sent for me the homework. What about the rest? You are 17. Where is the rest? 15 of you didn't contact me, didn't send for me the homework. I hope in the second term you will be more active, and I hope also that you have the books with you. If you don't, please pass by the school and get the book so you can study for the midterm exam. Now my first lesson is 3-digit numbers. 3-digit number means that you reach the 100 ones, tens, hundreds. 3-digit number. Any number, I can write it in many forms, in many ways. I can write my number in short word name. I can write my number in expanded form. I can write my number in standard form, and the last way I can write it in word form. Okay, for example, if I have this number, okay, if I have this number, if you notice here, the place value chart, it is 235. They put in the ones 5, they put in the tens 3, and in the hundreds 2. So you can read it 235. Okay, I can read this number also. I can write this number in word form. Word form means I will use letters. 235, I will say this number but using letters. It is 235. Okay, this is the word form, this is the standard form. Now I can write it in expanded form. In expanded form, if you are going to write the number in expanded form, it means 235. It means 2 in the 100 means 200, plus 3 in the 10, 30, plus 5. This is the expanded form for my number. Okay, I can write it in short word name. I can write it 200 with the name of the place, right? Plus no, there is no plus, only it is 200 without comma, 200, 3 tens and 5 ones. This it's called short word name form, short word form. So we can write the number in standard form, we can write it in expanded form, we can write it in short word form, and I can write it in word form. When you use word form, you will write 200 like that. This is the word form, 235. In the quiz, I will give you a question and I will solve it in 3 different ways or 4 different ways. One of them are correct. So the test, all of it will be multiple choice, okay? One of the answers are correct and the rest are wrong. Now, here, for example, they gave you this question. They gave you a number and they said, they are asking about the 6, the value of the 6. For example, they have 816, okay? They underline the 6 and they said the value of 6 is 6, the value of it 60 or 600, okay? One of these answers are correct, the rest are wrong. The 6 in the ones, it is 6, it is not 60 or 600, so the correct answer is 6. For example, they give you 618, they underline the 6. The 6 in which place? Is it 6, is it 60, or is it 600? Of course it is 600. So 3 answers, one of them are correct, you are going to choose. This is for lesson 1. Let's go to lesson 2. Lesson 2, ordering numbers to up to 999. I have a group of numbers, 3 numbers or 4, and I want to order these numbers from least to greatest. From least, it means you are up and you need to go down. From least to greatest, you are down, least, and you are going up. So it is tasaudi, or the opposite. It is you are up and you need to go down, tanazuli. So I have 2 ways to order the numbers. From greatest to least, this we call it greatest to least, we call it in Arabic tanazuli, because you are up and you are going to go down, or you are down and you need to go up, it is tasaudi. Now, for example, they gave us these numbers. Okay, we have these numbers and they want us to order these numbers, okay? We have these numbers. We have 683, 788, and 704. And they say, order these numbers from smallest. You are down and you need to go up. So it is tasaudi. So you should start with the smallest number. Number 1, you need to count how many digits each number has. It will, so 3 digits, so it reached 100, 3 digit, 3 digit. Now you are looking for the smallest. Look at the hundreds. 7, 7, 6. So which one is the least? Yes, this number, because it has 6 in the ones, in the hundreds, 683. Then what comes next? 7, 7, they are equal. Go to the tens. You have here 8, 0. Of course, the 0 is less than, so it is 704. Then the last one will be 788. Okay, this you order your numbers from least. This is least, and this is the greatest. Look at the hundreds. 6, 7, 7. 6 is the least. Then comes 2 numbers with 7 in the hundreds. This will be the least before this, because it has 0 in the tens. For example, if I have 801, okay, you have these numbers: 801, 712, 808. Which number is the least? The 3 of them has 3 digits. Look at the hundreds. 8, 7, 8. Which one is the least? Yes, 712 is the least one. Then 801 or 808. Of course, 801 is less than 808. So you are ordering these numbers from least to greatest. Okay, we finish from this. Okay, let's go to lesson 1.3, even and odd number. If I need to decide is this number even or odd, look at the ones place. If you have for example, if you have 2 and 4 and 8 or 6, if you have 0, if you have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, my number is even in the ones place. If you have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, your number is odd. It is odd. Okay. يعني even زوجي و odd is فردي. For example, if I have 64, look at the ones place, you have 4. The 4 is even number. Why? You can divide the 4 into 2 equal groups, one here, one here, one here, one here. So this number is what? Even number. Okay. If I have, for example, 91, okay, look at the ones place. I have only one in the ones place. You can't divide the 1 into 2 equal groups. You can put the 1 here. So this group will be empty. So 91 is odd. Okay. So to decide what is this number, is it even or it is odd, look at the ones place and decide. Okay. As I said, you need to memorize this. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is even number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is odd number. Now, if you have the 100 chart, okay, and it's from 1 until 40, they didn't write all of it. You will notice I will start with 1, it's odd, then 3 odd, 5, 7, 9, then you will go down 11. Any number that has in the ones place 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, it's odd. And if it has in the ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, it is what? Even number. Okay. Now we are going to the last page in the in our material. It is problem solving. They said a shopkeeper has 4 boxes of clips. He has 4 boxes of these. Each one contains 100. Okay. So in all, how many? There are 400 clip in all the boxes. If he sells 1 box, okay, then he will have how many? He has 400. If he sell 1, he will have 3 boxes, which means 300 clip only. Okay. Now write the number which has 200, 3 tens, 8 ones. We are going to put in the I have a number with 3 digit ones, tens, hundreds. They said in the 200, then they said 3 tens, then what? Then 8 ones. Okay, read the number. It's 238. This is the standard form for the number. Okay. Who has the most money? I have Salma, she has 325. I have Fatima, she has 532, and I have Hanan, she has 523. They said who has the greatest, the most means the greatest number, because they are three numbers and they have, each one of them has 3 digits. So to compare, look at the hundreds. Here is 553. So they said most, so I will cross this because this will not be included. I need to compare between this and this. Okay, 5, 5, they are equal. Look at the tens. 3, 2. So which one has the most? Fatima has the most money. Okay, because she has 3 in the tens. Hanan has 2 in the tens. Okay. Write all even numbers greater than 300 and smaller than 310. Okay, if you start by 300, they said write all even numbers greater than 300. 300 if you keep counting, you write 300. I will write 300, then 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, 306, 307. They said less than, and write all even numbers greater than 300 and smaller than 310. 7, 308, 309. Okay, 310, they said smaller than 310, so 310 is not included. Right, they said the numbers that are between this one and this one, so this one is not included and this one is not included. Which are the even number? They said write all even numbers greater than 300 and smaller than 310. So the numbers are 301, it's odd because it has 1 in the ones place. 302, yes, this one is even. 303 you will skip. 304, 305 you will skip. 306, 307 you will skip, so 308. So look how many numbers: 302, 304, 306, and then 308. These are all the numbers that are even numbers between 300 and 310. Now there will be 300 people at a party, then 10 people came. The number becomes, it was 300, if 10 more it will be 310. There were 200 people at the party, then 10 people left. They left, so your number will become less. If you have 200, and your number become less, if you take 10 from 200, it will be 190. Now finish. This is the last page in our midterm exam. It will be from page 1 to page 7, only chapter 1. Please study, and hope all of you do well, and be ready for the exam on Monday, the 4th of January. I will write for you on Class Dojo, in Microsoft Teams. I will write for you the material that is included in the test. Yalla, bye bye until we meet. Bye bye.